Hey guys, so I'm gonna show you how to fix these earpods. A lot of people have been having issues of the right earpod not working, and this is how to fix it. So you want to take both of them out, and then you're gonna put them back in so that they're both white. And then you gotta press down at the same time until they start blinking in the case. Okay, now that they stop blinking, you can take them out at the same time, and then you can see that they're synced again. So yeah, that's how to fix it, and it won't work for the first few times. You gotta just try it a couple times. Make sure to take them out at the same time on the last step. So yeah, that's how to fix these earphones.